To add multiple addresses on Instacart, start by opening the Instacart app on your mobile device and logging into your account. Once you are logged in, navigate to the account settings by tapping on the profile icon located at the top right corner of the screen. In the account settings, scroll down to the section labeled Your Information and select the option that says Your Addresses. This will take you to a new screen where you can view and manage all the addresses associated with your Instacart account. To add a new address, tap on the Add New Address button. Enter the new address details, including the street address, apartment or suite number, city, state, and zip code. Make sure to enter the correct address as this is where your groceries will be delivered. After entering the new address, you will be asked to select the store that you want to shop from for this address. Choose a store from the list of available options and then tap on the Save Address button to save the new address. You can add multiple addresses by repeating the same steps. Each address will be saved separately, and you can switch between addresses when placing an order by selecting the address you want to use from the list of saved addresses. It is a good idea to give a nickname to each address, such as home or work, to help you easily identify the different addresses when placing an order. You can also set a default address, which will be used automatically when you place an order unless you choose a different address. By following these steps, you can easily add multiple addresses on Instacart and start shopping from different locations. This feature is especially useful if you have multiple residences or if you want to have groceries delivered to your office or a friend's house.